back, folks. We got a doozy of a Honda Insight for you today. This would be a 2010. This is a one-owner car and it has all of the regular preventative maintenance reported on the Carfax done. No accidents, no paint work. Really nice car. Mucho MPGs on these. Folks, they pull well north of 40 miles per gallon, and that's driving them how you want. Great little piece. Windows locks, tilt, cruise, CD player. Super nice. Perfect Carfax, like new tires. This vehicle has 4 brand new brakes all the way around. Compliments of DasCleveland.com. Service contract 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line, included at the internet price. Guaranteed credit approval. Yeah, I got a problem with the credit. Need to get in something around $595 starting down. That's one owner. That's perfect. That'll drive you all through the loan. Reliable, safe, economical. This is it, folks. $595 starting down payment with a couple paycheck stubs. Possible bank statement. Perfect Carfax. Guaranteed credit approval. 5-star Google reviews. This is the car and this is the place. DasCleveland.com.